Pinoy boxing icon Manny Pacquiao confirms that his long-awaited mega bout with undefeated American fighter Floyd Mayweather Jr. is almost a done deal. Mayweather earlier said he wants the fight to take place on May 2nd at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas, Nevada. More details from Freddy Mando.
It has taken years to negotiate what could be the greatest fight in boxing history. The super fight between undefeated world champion Floyd Mayweather and the Philippines' greatest boxer Manny Pacquiao. This fight is almost certain, with no less than Congressman Pacquiao revealing to reporters negotiations are on its final stages. There are still hurdles to overcome, but for Pacquiao, it's almost a done deal.
Malapit na yung matapos ng hintayin lang natin na sila mag-announce ng fight, no? Naghintay lang tayo sa desisyon nila. Tayo nag-agree na tayo sa mga term and condition. So hinihintay na lang natin sila. Yan ay napakagandang laban at hindi natin masasabi, no? We will train hard for this fight kung pag natuloy na.
So it's forthcoming. 90% complete na yung kontrata.
Yes, parang ganun.
Terms of the fight are being negotiated to include the venue. It could be held in Las Vegas in the United States. The prize of money and the sharing from the television earnings from pay-per-view. Pacquiao also bared that he has agreed to drug testing with penalties to be imposed if any one of them is positive for drugs.
Nag-agree na tayo doon sa mga demands nila lahat.
Drugs.
Hindi naman problema yun.
Commodity rights.
In fact, doon sa mga kasunduan, ako nag-suggest na magmulta ng $5 million pag na-positive sa drugs. So, ako nagpa-insert noon dahil kailangan yun.
This early, Pacquiao has started training for the fight just in case the contract will be signed by Mayweather. If not, he will face another opponent. Pacquiao said his meeting with Mayweather in an NBA basketball game in Miami provided the spark for the negotiations to make progress.
Kailangan matuloy itong laban na to, itong fight na ito. At siyempre, nung time na inaayos yung mga negotiation, ongoing yung negotiation. So,
anong sinabi niya sa'yo? Tuloy na tayo, ganun?
Oo, gusto kong ganun. Gusto kong matuloy talaga yung fight.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.